just beginning. Where does it end?
To the love of my life, Ian. Looking back 10 years ago, I was just 17 years old and I never thought na yung moment na nakita kita sa quadrangle ng JRU will turn into our lifetime love story. But when you came into my life, binago mo ang pananaw ko. Unti-unti, nakita ko kung gaano ka kapasensyoso, lalong-lalo na sa akin. You made me feel worthy of love, even on the days when I'm difficult to understand and hard to be with. You still love me. Ikaw sa lungkot at saya, ikaw sa iyak at tawa, ikaw sa bawat talo at panalo, ikaw ang gusto ko unang makita at makasama. Kaya kung akong tatanungin, walang hanggan kung sasagutin. Ikaw ngayon at magpakailan.
Hi Tin, babe, hindi ko makakalimutan ang unang pagkikita natin. Bebe ka pa noon, ngayon asawa na kita. Bago tayo napunta sa ganitong sitwasyon, sobrang dami nating pinagdaanan, masasaya at malulungkot na mga araw bilang mag-boyfriend at girlfriend. At ngayon, nasa new journey tayo ng buhay o bilang mag-asawa. Ngayon, sa harap ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, ipapakita ko na hindi masasayang ang tiwala, effort at pagmamahal na binibigay nila sa atin. Hindi araw-araw gusto kita, hindi araw-araw masaya tayong dalawa. At yun ang totoo. Pero isa lang ang sinusigurado ko. Araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Lalaki at babae. At sinabi, dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa. At sila yung magiging isa. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Sa Ebanghelyo, malinaw at klaro ang tinig ni Jesus. Ang pinag-isa ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Hindi lamang ito pangaral. Ito'y paalaala na ang pag-asawa ay mas mataas kaysa emosyon, mas malalim kaysa pangarap, at mas malawak kaysa dalawang pusong ulit-ibig.
Hold me without hurting me. You'll be the first to ever did. There's things I wanna talk about, but better not to give. Like if you hold me without hurting me, you'll be the first to ever did.
sila yung someone na babago ng buhay mo, yung someone na makakasama mo habang buhay, at yung someone na dadalhin mo sa harap ng altar at sa harap nilang lahat. For a very long time, I felt loved and secure because coming from a broken family, I grew up afraid to love deeply, afraid that marriage will only lead to pain and failure, and that nothing really lasts forever. Napangako kong ikaw ang lagi kong pipiliin at sasamahan, anumang hamon o pagsubok, kahit gaano pa kahirap. Magkasama nating haharapin at aahunin. So today, I stand before you, overwhelmed with gratitude that I get to call you my partner, my confidant, my best friend, and my love, and finally, my husband. I love you so much.
Time is all good. I ain't gotta knock on wood. All of that picture we sent on a falling star. Never did any good.
Hindi ko mabuksan. Paper bag pa! Yay! Gagi mo, ang ganda.
It sounds cocky. Ties me
Ace.
open my eyes. Redwood tree ain't hard to see his love.
Bagay na bagay sa suot. Thank you. Thank you, sakto. Wala na akong relo. So, ito na. Iingatan ko to. I love you.
Knock on wood. All of that picture we sent on a falling star. Never did me any good. I ain't got to knock on wood. It's you and me forever, dancing in the dark. Oh, over me, it's understood. I ain't got to knock on wood. Forgive me, it sounds cocky. Hypnotize me and open my eyes. Redwood tree, it ain't hard to see. His love was the key that opened my thighs. Forgive me, it sounds cocky. Hypnotize me and open my eyes. Redwood tree, it ain't hard to see. His love was the key that opened my thighs.